So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send or transfer crypto from Binance to Exodus wallet. So it's pretty simple. So go to your Exodus wallet, press receive, from receive select Binance or whatever coin that you want, copy the address, and then from there head on to your Binance, and then here you'll have to press withdraw. From withdraw you will have to search your Bitcoin, so it's going to be loading for a while. So it's gonna process for it for a while, so you can just withdraw, search for Bitcoin. So I just restart it for there. It's not gonna load up anytime soon. So go to wallets, withdraw, and then we'll have to search for BTC, send via crypto network, and then paste the address right here. Select your network and then select how much BTC you would want to deposit to your own Exodus wallet. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.